No matter how much you automate your production line, there will always come a time when a human has to interact with it. That's when personal safety becomes paramount. I can see that the feeder is missing pen refills. In this situation, it's the responsibility of one of the employees to refill it. But, is it safe? Yes, thanks to safety curtains that sense the moment a human crosses the designated safety line. Let's check out how it works. As you can see, as soon as my hand crossed into the safety zone, the robot stopped. This allows me to refill the container without having to worry about my safety. Of important note, it's possible to adjust the level of human-machine collaboration, establishing when the work should slow down and when it should stop completely. It's all about making sure that people interact safely with the machinery around them. See you next time.